Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Exness. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Binance application. Once you have logged into your Binance account, after that you just need to simply tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. Now click on Send button. After that, select a withdrawal method, so simply tap on the on-chain withdraw, and in the search bar you have to simply search for BTC and click on Bitcoin at the top. Now after that you will be landed on this Send BTC page. Here you will need to paste your BTC Exness global or depositing address, selection of network, and the amount of Bitcoin you are transferring into your Exness application. Now in order to get the Bitcoin address, you just need to simply minimize your Binance and open your Exness global application. After that, once you have logged into your Exness application, you just need to simply tap on the deposit button and click on crypto wallet. And in the crypto wallet, here you can see all the cryptocurrencies. So at the top you will find BTC Bitcoin, so simply tap on this yellow highlighted deposit button in the Bitcoin. And now you need to click on this continue button, and here you can see your Bitcoin wallet address along with the QR code, so simply copy this address. After copying, reopen Binance and paste this address in the address bar and it will auto match your network. After that, enter the amount of Bitcoin you are transferring into your Exness global application. Once you filled all this information, simply click on the withdraw button at the bottom right corner. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your Bitcoins from Binance to Exness global application. And that's how you can transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Exness global application. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.